Nutrition Assignment 3 by Patrick O'Halloran, OHA 18001642. The digestive system. The first slide of the presentation, I will be describing the structure of the digestive system using this purpose kings. Okay. So we start off with the stomach, which is found here. The stomach is like a large mixing bowl where the food is churned up into a liquid called chyme. The cells in the stomach lining release digestive enzymes and hydrochloric acid. These two things help to digest food and to kill any excess bacteria. The duodenum is found there. The duodenum is the kind of passage that chyme passes through from the stomach to the small intestine. It's just kind of a little pathway between the stomach and the small intestine. The gallbladder is found here. This is where concentrated bile is stored. The esophagus is this long tube here. The esophagus is the tube that swallowed food passes through. It can pass through there via a process called peristalsis. It's kind of the process of squeezing food through the esophagus, and that's how it gets down through the pipe from the mouth. The anus is found here. This is where matter that's indigestible, so feces, is excreted from. The mouth is at the top there. The mouth is where digestion begins. The teeth and jaws grind food and mix it with saliva. This breaks down any starch in the food because saliva contains an enzyme called amylase, which breaks down starch. The liver is here. This is where the pancreatic juices that are released in digestion are created. Juices like bile and digestive enzymes. The large intestine is there. The large intestine is used when chyme is mostly fluid and indigestible materials. That's what chyme is when it reaches the large intestine. The large intestine does not produce any digestive enzymes. It's just kind of a step in getting it out of the body, the indigestible material. Small intestine is here. Once the chyme is in the small intestine, it is mixed with more digestive juices that are released from the pancreas. Carbohydrates, fats and proteins are broken down and absorbed through villi that line the small intestine wall. Pancreas is there. So this is where digestive juices are released from. The pancreas releases the things that help break down the food that's being digested. The rectum. Sorry about that. The rectum, this is where indigestible matter, feces, passes through before getting to the anus where it was eventually excreted. Okay. So that's the structure of the digestive system. So now we go on to the functions of the digestive system. So the first function is digestion. This is considered as like a process that follows multiple stages after we have ingested raw materials or the food we eat through the mouth. In digestion, enzymes in the stomach and gut break down large molecules that we've ingested into smaller molecules ready for the next stage, which is absorption. We'll get onto that in a minute. Amylase breaks down starch from the carbohydrates into glucose. Protease breaks down proteins into amino acids. And lipase breaks down fats into 3 fatty acids and glycerol. So those 3 enzymes that I've just named are the 3 enzymes that are kind of active in breaking down different types of food molecules that enter our body. The next stage is absorption. And this is the movement of digested food from your stomach and small intestine into your body tissues and blood. The process of absorption happens in specialized structures called villi that line your small intestine. They are like finger-like projections. They provide a large surface area for absorption to take place. And each villi has a network of capillaries. This means absorption can happen quickly, so nutrients can get into the body faster. Amino acids are absorbed from and glucose are absorbed into your bloodstream directly. Fatty acids and glycerol are taken up by your lymphatic system. Excretion is the third and final function. This is a removal of kind of potentially poisonous products from your metabolism, normally in your urine and feces. This is kind of like poisonous maybe, or waste products get removed from the body. In humans, the main organs of excretion are the kidneys, through which urine is flushed away, and the large intestine, through which solid or semi-solid waste is excreted. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.